Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses, model GG1033S in color code 002. The color of the frame is gold, and these lenses are gray gradient. The glasses are also a square shape. On its temples, you'll find the Gucci logo in gold. You'll also find the hole on its temple to put in the chain, and the Gucci logo engraved on its top right lens. You'll also find the Gucci GG branding on its nose pads. On its inner right temple, you'll find the Gucci logo and that it's made in Japan, as well as the serial number. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 57 is for its lens, 21 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci bag, that has two sides to it, and it also gets magnetized to close. It also comes with a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Caring, and a Gucci envelope which holds Gucci card of authenticity and another Caring manufacturer booklet. And these glasses also come with a Gucci chain. On the chain are protective sleeves to make sure that it won't get scratched or damaged. The chain is gold. At the end of the chain is the GG Gucci emblem. And on the top of the chain is the Gucci logo. To put this chain on the glasses, first open them up. You'll find a little hole in the glass temple. You just insert it there. You do that on the other side as well. And this is what the glasses look like with the chain on. This chain goes around behind your neck while you're wearing these glasses. The glasses also come with a little bag to put the chains in. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any other glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.